Hey there everyone, welcome to our session on one of my favorite topics, the importance of breaks and leisure activities for stress management and well-being. It's like reminding ourselves that life isn't just about the hustle and bustle, it's also about those moments of pause and play. Let's dive in and discover why these breaks aren't just nice to have, they're essential. Why breaks and leisure matter. The recharge principle. Think of yourself as a smartphone. Just like how a phone needs to be recharged to keep functioning, you need breaks to recharge your mental and emotional batteries. The productivity paradox. It might seem counterintuitive, but taking regular breaks actually increases productivity. It's like loosening a tightly wound spring. A bit of relaxation can lead to a more powerful release. The science of taking breaks. Mental refreshment. Short, regular breaks allow your brain to rest and reset, which can improve concentration and boost creativity. It's like giving your brain a mini vacation. Physical health benefits. Moving around during breaks can reduce the risk of physical ailments associated with prolonged sitting, like back pain and eye strain. Think of it as a mini workout for your body. Emotional well-being. Breaks can be a great mood booster. They provide an opportunity to de-stress and do something enjoyable, which is crucial for overall emotional health. Incorporating breaks into your day. Scheduled breaks. Plan short breaks throughout your day. It could be a 5-minute walk, a quick meditation session, or just stepping outside for some fresh air. Hobbies and leisure activities. Engage in activities you love. Whether it's painting, playing a musical instrument, or gardening, hobbies can be a great source of relaxation and joy. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Practices like deep breathing, mindfulness, or gentle stretching can be done almost anywhere and are excellent ways to unwind and refocus. The role of leisure activities. Disconnect to reconnect. Leisure activities help you disconnect from work-related stress and reconnect with other aspects of life. It's like pressing the reset button on your stress levels. Finding joy and fulfillment. Pursuing activities that bring joy can significantly enhance your quality of life. It's about feeding your soul, not just your bank account. Building resilience. Regular leisure activities can build emotional resilience, helping you to better handle stress and bounce back from challenging situations. Remember, taking breaks and engaging in leisure activities isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for maintaining your well-being and keeping stress at bay. So, I encourage you all to take that break, engage in that hobby, and give yourself permission to just breathe and be. Your mind, body, and soul will thank you for it. Here's to a healthier, happier, and more balanced you. Let's make break time and playtime non-negotiable in our daily lives.